Hi everyone, today I will introduce our indoor optical cable tensile testing machine. This equipment is suitable for testing the tensile performance of butterfly job optical cable using the access network within specific tensile load. This equipment adopts computer control, servo motor drive, high precision ball screw, and high accuracy load sensor signal measurement. This is the hand control box of the equipment, which you can choose test to start, test to stop, test up, and test down. You can also choose the test speeds from here. And this is the extensometer come with the equipment, which can be used for testing the elongation of the sample under the tensile test. And this is the sample stand, which you can hold the sample during the test. You are able to adjust the position of the stand through the screw. And the equipment comes with the double well setting from the beginning of the equipment and also at the end of the equipment, which you can hold the sample through the entire test.
Connect the power cable. Connect the hand control box cable and computer data transmission cables. According to the test requirements, install the matching sensor. Install the optical cable support stand and adjust the support stand position and height according to the optical cable test. Turn the knob to start the test machine. Use the hand control box to move the tension device inward. Wrap the optical cable around the specimen roller and fix one end to the optical cable fixing device above. Wrap the other end of the cable around the groove of the specimen roller. Pull the lower cable to leave enough cable for other roller devices. Wrap and tighten the left and right cables of the second roller device. Wrap and tighten the left and right cables of the third roller device. Place each cable onto the corresponding cable support ring. Wrap the cable around the last specimen roller and fix it to the cable fixture. Clamp the middle optical cable with the cable clamp, and tighten the nuts at both ends to fix it. Repeat the previous operation. After installation, make sure both ends of the optical cable are fixed, and the middle part is in a semi-tightened state. Start the test software, create a new test and set the relevant parameters. After the settings are completed, clear 0, and click Start to start the test. After the test is done, click Stop to end the test. Then click Stop Servo button to shut down the test. Click the Report button to print the test report.